Hi guys, I will try to explain this in the simplest way possible. So I'll try to speak Tagalog kahit matigas yung dila ko mag-Tagalog ano. Okay. So TimeStope is a new crypto project initiated by Korean professionals. They started, if my memory serves me right, they started last October 2020. So the project is still very young, guys. So, it's a crypto project. The goal of the project, guys, ay magkaroon ng fair opportunity or fair distribution of money. Okay? So, paano nila ma-realize ang goal nila? So, they reach out to everyday or everyday kind of people through cell phones. Kasi halos lahat ng tao sa mundo may cellular phones na. So, they are giving us, regular people, access to money. Think of that. No? Binigyan nila tayo ng chance na makakuha ng pera through mining coins. Magmimina tayo dito, guys. Magmimina. So, ang gagawin mo lang, you download the app. Right? Download the app. Then, mag-register ka. Fill up the required information. So, pangalan mo, your Philippine name, start with your surname, tapos yung pangalan mo, tapos yung middle initial mo, middle name mo. So, word it out, your middle name. Tapos yung English name, so that is real name mo, tapos family name. And then, ilalagay mo kung sino ang witness mo. So, this is witness, ito yung tao na nag-invite sa'yo para mag-join. So, you can use my code that is heart 123456. No, do not include the @ sign. So just heart 123456. So yung gender mo and then your date of birth. No, importante yung real information mo. Ano, that is what is required. So once na tapos ka na mag-fill up, okay? I-share, you tap this share button, tapos i-send mo yung public key and private key mo doon sa email address. So that is a way of having a backup in case magkaroon ng problema yung cellphone mo, manakaw yung cellphone mo. So mag-download ka lang ng app ulit sa bagong cellphone mo, ng TimeStope app, and mag-login ka. Okay? So kailangan meron kang public key tsaka private key. Okay? So just in case the system will require it for you to be able to retrieve what you have already mined. Okay? So, ganun lang, guys. Now, let me show to you why this is really a great opportunity na miss ng iilang mga Filipino, especially those who are still traditional. Now, we need to inform them. Now, guys, imagine this. This is free mining. Absolutely free mining. Alam mo ba kung magkano ang ginastos ng China? The Chinese people, sila yung sa buong mundo, imagine guys, sa buong mundo, sila ang may pinakamalaking mining farm sa Bitcoin. Nagmimina sila ng Bitcoin. And you know how much they spend for the technology para makamina sila? They spent around millions. Okay, millions of dollars, not piso, guys. Millions of dollars. You can read it in the news. Kita mo? Yan. Yan nasa picture. Yan yung farm nila, mining farm. Look at that. They're spending millions of dollars. They have the biggest Bitcoin mines. Okay. Why do you think they're spending that amount, that huge amount? Guys, because they are earning billions of pesos too out from this mining farm. Okay, so it's a potential, a big potential for you to earn money. So ganito yan, guys. Ang cryptocurrency simply mimic real currency. No, kinupya nila ang kung paano nag-function yung fiat currency. Ganun lang din ang ginawa ng cryptocurrency. The only difference is that ang cryptocurrency is digital. It is not tangible. Hindi mo mahahawakan. Kumpara doon sa fiat currency na mahahawakan mo, may papel, may coins made of metal, yung fiat currency. Okay, papel at metal. Pero yung cryptocurrency, digital siya. It's a program. It is only represented by numbers. But guys, it has its corresponding value. May halaga siya. Pwede mo siyang magamit pambili online. Pwede mo siyang papalitan ng real money, yung tangible, yung fiat currency using electronic wallet. No, gamit ka ng coins.ph. Marami ng mga Filipino ang gumagamit ng coins.ph. Okay? So, transfer mo lang doon yung namina mong certain cryptocurrency like Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin or Ethereum or XRP. Transfer mo doon sa coins.ph wallet mo, or download the app. Nasa Play Store yan, sa App Store. Transfer mo doon, tapos may option doon na pwede mong i-convert into Philippine peso. Tapos ika-cash out mo doon sa Palawan or sa kahit anong available nandoon, kahit sa bangko, no, sa Tambunting, ano pa, M. Luelier. So maraming paraan, no, pwede mo siyang i-cash out and it will become a tangible money, a fiat currency.